Okay, welcome back, Sweden, to your Caribou Data Science channel. And also, welcome back, Twitch family, for hanging in with me today, okay? Big shout out to the 17 people who watched this video yesterday on Twitch. Of course, you know the drill. I need your help to reach affiliate status by Sunday evening, October 31st, 2400 hours, 12 midnight, October 30, or is it 12 a.m.? I always get those two confused. Uh, 2400 hours, midnight. Okay, October 31st, New York time. Okay, the only metric we have left to do is the consecutive viewers on the stream. Okay, and in the chat. So that's why I need you folks to start. Oh, okay. Is someone lurking? Hmm, that's interesting. My screen now shows two views. So if you are watching this stream right now, second viewer, stop in the chat and say hi. Okay. And also, don't forget to invite two of your friends to join you, okay? So we're over here. We're over here in Sweden. Now Sweden's kind of an interesting case. Uh, First of all, the deaths right now are like crazy low. Deaths are like crazy low. Cases are low, but deaths are crazy low. But the thing is, it kind of drives me a little crazy. Is back in the middle of summer, they switched from a 7-day reporting cycle to a 4-day reporting cycle. So that's a middle of summer. They're only recording data Tuesday to Friday. And they're adding Saturday, Sunday, Monday's numbers on the Tuesday's numbers. So it doesn't make any sense. Okay, but anyway. So it says two viewers. So let's try one more, Lord. But there's only one of us working the chat. So what about Sweden? Okay. Plus, a big shout out to the 13 people who watched this video on YouTube yesterday. Thank you so much for those views. I check my counts every single day. So here's the thing. So what you can see here, Sweden, is that your COVID-19 cases for 2021 have passed 2020. Of course, you're not really comparing the same time frames, but that's okay. But here's the good news. This is a harbinger of good news to come. Okay, that is your COVID-19 cases are lower than your 2020 your 2020 COVID-19 deaths are lower than the 2020 COVID-19 deaths, and there's a very good chance that your COVID-19 deaths for 2021 will not catch 2020's COVID-19 deaths. Okay, but remember I talked about the spike. Well, these spikes here are all the spikes, Tuesday numbers. These spikes here represent Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday's numbers. So it's kind of hard to understand what the daily. We can't really determine the daily numbers because of those spikes. So what we're going to look at is this blue line. This blue line gives us a trending pattern. And you can see sometime in the spring, Sweden's cases began to decline. But then in July, we saw a hiccup here, a little bit of a speed bump. Could be Delta variant, could be something else. Of course, the question is, what about vaccination rates during this time period here? So it rose up here to about, late July before beginning to fall back down again. But now it's starting to show a little bit of an upturn in cases again. Okay. And if we take a look at the 14-day average here, you can see that, yep, we are seeing a bit of an increase here even on a weekly basis. So October 28th, for the 14-day period in October 28th, we were averaging 778 cases per day. Okay. What about deaths? Now, deaths is a little bit trickier because apparently somewhere back in here they missed some deaths, because what they did is they came back over here and added in the missing deaths from, I think it was August, back over here. And this by itself, because look how low your deaths were. but you're missing some deaths back over here. Okay, so they added it back over here, which made it, and then it, which kind of topped out, but now it's very slowly declining again. So what you can see here is, as of October the 28th, you're averaging 5.72 deaths per day. Weekly cases. Now we look at monthly cases. Look how crazy low your cases are compared to these months back over here. Okay, under 60,000, under 50,000 cases for all these periods back for a month back over here. And now look at your COVID-19 deaths. You had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row you had a decline in COVID-19 deaths. Of course, it's kind of hard to maintain these low numbers because the disease spreads at an uneven rate. So anyway, even if you had a bit of a speed bump here, it doesn't really make any difference because these numbers are still crazy low. Because if this is 1,000, this is 500. Okay, and this means the deaths for these numbers, even August September, is lower than 500 deaths per month. Okay, so anyway, sweetie, that concludes your numbers for today. Thanks so much for your time. Let's just go ahead and fire this bad boy up to Git and update our database. And now we're going to come to the star of the show. That, of course, is the United States. Okay.